In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize a return in QuickBooks Online. When you return something you bought for your business, it's really important to record that refund correctly, so your expense reports and profit and loss stay accurate. In QuickBooks Online, we do this by creating either a credit card credit or a vendor credit, depending on how you got the money back. Let's walk through it step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look for the big New button, usually found on the left side or at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create most types of transactions in QuickBooks, like expenses, invoices, and in this case, returns. From the options that appear, decide how the refund came back to you. If the vendor refunded the amount directly back to your business credit card, choose Credit Card Credit. If the refund came in another way, like a check, cash, or store credit from a vendor, choose Vendor Credit instead. Picking the correct type here keeps your accounts and bank feeds aligned with what actually happened. Next, you'll choose the vendor you returned the item to. Click into the vendor field and select the supplier from your existing list. If they're not in your list yet, you can quickly add them, so this return is tied to the correct payee for your records. Now enter the payment date. This should be the date the refund was actually processed or issued by the vendor, not the original purchase date. Then type in the refund amount. Make sure this matches exactly what you see on your receipt, credit memo, or bank statement. If there was sales tax involved and the vendor refunded that tax as well, specify the tax in the tax field. This helps keep your tax reports accurate and ensures you're not overstating either tax paid or tax owed. In the category field, this part is key. Choose the same expense account you used when you first bought the item. For example, if the original purchase was categorized under office supplies, choose office supplies again here. Doing this means the refund will offset the original expense instead of creating a new, unrelated category line, which keeps your books clean and your expenses true to reality. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your return is now properly recorded and categorized in QuickBooks Online, and your reports will reflect that money coming back into your business.